If you want to transfer money on STC Pay, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click transfer to contact at the top right, okay? Or you can use international transfer or local bank transfer. In my case, I'm gonna use transfer to contact, and I'm gonna confirm my contact or connect my contact to my STC Pay in order to pay with phone number. And then you're gonna see your contact. Select the contact that you want to send the money to, and then enter the amount of money, and then the purpose of the transfer, if it was for medical pills or expenses or whatever it might be, and then add notes if you want to add notes. Confirm, and then you're gonna confirm your phone number. They're gonna send you a quick text to your phone number for confirmation, and then you're gonna confirm that payment, and afterwards you're gonna be able to send that payment to your contact. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.